orchards. It may be positioned face down to produce a smaller wetting diameter, ideal for young trees. When the tree grows and requires a wider wetting pattern, the tornado is turned to an upright position. The tornado is engineered with a special vortex mechanism which helps to effectively regulate the flow rate. Due to its large water passages, the tornado has a superior clogging resistance ability and can operate successfully under tough conditions. There are 3 different tornado models with the same vortex mechanism: the conic inlet sprayer, threaded inlet sprayer, and take-apart sprayer. All models can be assembled with a feeder tube and a stake. On top of the vortex, the tornado has a grooved cap which determines the wetting pattern. The tornado offers 3 wetting pattern options: 180 degrees, 300 degrees, and 360 degrees. The tornado is a high-quality, reliable jet stream sprayer with many years of proven field experience.